In this short video, I'd like to show you how to create and use simple playlists within OptiSigns. First, log in to the web portal app.optisigns.com. By default, you'll be brought to the screens page. We're gonna, for this demo, assume that you've already uploaded your files and created your assets and applications. Then we'll navigate to the playlists page. On the playlists page, we have three sections. We have our files and assets section on the right. In the center, we have our playlist configuration options. We have our list of playlists and playlist organization options. To create a new playlist, select Create Playlist. Then you're going to want to name your new playlist. Then on the right-hand side, you'll be able to drag and drop your assets, files, and applications into the playlist. By default, your assets will have a 10-second duration. Video assets from Vimeo, YouTube, or MP4s will take the duration of the video. You can drag and drop your assets to rearrange them. You can set custom durations with the pencil option, and you can remove assets with the trash can option. You'll want to be sure to save any changes. We do have a few settings options to scale images and videos to your screen. By default, the playlist will loop through. We do have a shuffle option to make it play at random. There are transition options, transition speed options, and again, whenever configuring your playlist options, you'll want to save. After you've finished configuring your playlist, you can either push to screens directly from the playlist configuration section in the middle of the playlists page, or from the edit screens page. And that's how you configure playlists within the OptiSigns web portal.